Hey folks, we're talking about South Carolina wrongful death settlement caps in nursing home cases. When a nursing home resident passes away as a result of nursing home neglect, South Carolina law caps or limits how much the family can recover in a settlement. Now, when there is a lawsuit filed in a case like this, it actually covers two separate claims. One's a wrongful death claim, the other is called a survival action. A wrongful death claim allows certain close family members to recover for their losses, such as loss of companionship, loss of income and financial support, if there is any, as well as emotional harm like grief and sorrow. A survival action compensates the victim's estate for certain harms and losses they sustain before they pass away as a result of their injuries from the neglect. That includes medical bills and conscious pain and suffering. You can also claim medical bills under either case. And now for the caps. The caps apply depending on whether the facility is government supported or private. For a private facility, South Carolina law caps non-economic damages like pain and suffering, loss of companionship, and emotional harm. It doesn't cap economic damages like medical bills and lost income. It also doesn't cap punitive damages. The cap amount is a basic limit of $350,000, which can be increased if there are multiple healthcare providers involved to $1.05 million. There's a few exceptions that can exceed the cap, and the most important of them is gross negligence. That's when a victim basically dies as a result of recklessness. In that case, there is no cap. For a government-supported facility, all damages, whether economic or non-economic, are capped at $300,000 unless it involves medical malpractice, which ups the cap to $1.2 million. You can't get punitive damages against a government-supported facility. And a word to the wise about what government-supported means. Government-supported facilities include a lot of facilities most folks think are actually private. A case in point is our local hospital, Spartanburg Regional. It's actually government supported. And there's another word to the wise. If you're facing a case involving a government-supported facility, a highly skilled South Carolina personal injury lawyer may be able to create an argument the case involves multiple occurrences. If that can be done convincingly, you might get access to a bigger settlement than that provided by the basic cap. Folks, regardless of what kind of facility is involved in your nursing home negligence case, it's complicated. For starters, you're going to need an expert who can fill out an affidavit. That's an official legal document done under oath that the facility committed neglect that caused the death. And these insurance companies for these facilities fight these cases notoriously hard. You can't afford to do this with anyone other than a skilled professional. If you think you've got a loved one who passed away as a result of nursing home neglect, call me to get your questions answered in a pressure-free strategy session. I'm just going to answer your questions, give you some guidance, and provide you with some peace of mind, leaving you with the opportunity to make the decision on your own whether I'm the right lawyer for you. I thank you for thinking about this with me, and I hope I see you soon.